Today's recipe will be butter and garlic bread with cheese. It is one of the best snacks that can be made from bread. We will make cheese sauce also. I will do it in 2 ways, according to the ingredients available to you. Watch the video step by step and let's start. At first, we will prepare the bread and the quantity is estimated. You can use any type of bread you want. I used thick bread. I will cut it into medium pieces. We cut the entire quantity. This is the thickness required. Put the pieces on a tray, and we put butter paper on it, and if the paper is not available, you can put an amount of butter. With this the bread is ready. And now we will prepare the butter mixture. We will need 100 grams of butter. You should use good quality butter because it will appear in the bread. I will cut it up. I will put 2 tablespoons of olive oil, in addition to a teaspoon of crushed garlic. Mix them together. The butter should be at room temperature. We add 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and a teaspoon of oregano. We mix them together. The original and the recipe uses dried parsley, according to the ingredients available to you. Add a teaspoon of salt plus 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. If you used salted butter, there is no need to add salt. Now we will apply the mixture to the bread. We must put a good quantity on the bread. We prepare the whole amount of bread and then put it in the oven. The temperature is 180, and the period until the bread takes the desired color. I left it in the oven for 1/4 hour.
I used the second type of bread, which was French bread. I shot this clip for the house. This is to show you the bread I used, and that is if you like to use the small pieces of bread. Now we will prepare the cheese sauce. I will do it the first way. We will need a cup of liquid cream. In addition to a cup of cheddar cheese, the cream that I used is a special cream for cooking. The amount of cheddar cheese is 200 grams. The cream should be hot when adding cheese. This is the tree cheese I used. You better use the block and shred it at home, according to the quantity you need. This is the consistency of the sauce. Its consistency should be slightly liquid, because it will get thickened when it gets cold, so it is better to be a little liquid. In a second way, we will need a teaspoon of butter. In addition to a tablespoon of flour, we roast the flour a little. After that, we mix the flour with the butter until the flour absorbs all the butter. Then we add 1.5 cups of liquid milk. We put the first cup and stir quickly. This is so that the flour does not clump. Then we add the other half. When the milk starts to boil, we will add the cheese. I used 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese. We stir well until the number of cheese melts. There are types of tree cheese that do not melt quickly. It is possible to use a masher for smoothing, thus, her strength is good. I will add jalapeno. It gives it a delicious flavor. It is possible to add a little black pepper. We leave it to boil a little shorter and then we serve it. As I told you, it is preferable for the sauce to be a little liquid, because it will become thick when it cools down. This is how the bread tray is when you take it out of the oven, and as I told you, a degree of toasting the bread according to your desire. It is considered a personal taste. I will now put mozzarella cheese. Put a good amount of cheese. I will add another type of cheese which is optional, which is Parmesan cheese. Gives a delicious cheese taste. With this the tray is ready and I will put it in the oven. I will put it on the grill. I put it on the lowest level, and that until the cheese melts completely. We must serve it hot. The smell of bread is very appetizing.
There is a note regarding the method of baking in the oven. It is better to put butter at the beginning, then we put the bread in the oven to get the desired color. And then we put the cheese, because the bread is a bit thick, but in case you use the toasted bread, you can work these steps together. Put the butter and then the cheese, then put it in the oven, because it won't take long. Now our recipe is ready. Hope you liked it. If so, please don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell button to get the new recipe. Thank you so much for watching.